Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To convert Outlook.message files to .ml files, you can use a Python library called msgconvert. Below is a step-by-step guide on how to achieve this. Step 1. Install the msgconvert library. First, you need to install the msgconvert library. You can do this by running the following command in your terminal. Step 2. Write a Python script to convert .message files to .ml files. Create a Python script with the following code to convert Outlook.message files to .ml files. Make sure to replace path/to/input_file.message with the actual path of your input.message file, and path/to/output_file.ml with the desired path for the output.ml file. Step 3. Run the Python script. Save the Python script and run it using a Python interpreter. This will convert the specified .message file to an .ml file. That's it. You have successfully converted an Outlook.message file to an .ml file using Python and the msgconvert library.